Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belgavi. In this session, we are going to discuss using modified Euler's method, finding the value of y at the rate of x is equal to 0.1, where dy by dx is equal to 3x plus y by 2, with initial value that is y of 0 equal to 1, taking h is equal to 0.1, which is equal to 0.1. Fine. So let us start with the solution. In the solution, what to do? First, we need to take the given thing by data. What is given? Here x naught is given. As per this, y of 0 equal to 1, x naught is equal to 0, whereas y naught is equal to 1. Y naught is equal to 1. And h is equal to 0.1 given, and f of x comma y is equal to, means dy by dx will be treated as f of x comma y, which is nothing but 3x plus y by 2. Fine. What else is required? Usually it is understood that f of x naught y naught is very much required in this case with the initial values. Fine. So this is equal to f of x naught y naught, means 3 times x naught plus y naught by 2. Therefore, 3 times, what is the value of x naught? 0. Plus, what is the value of y naught? 1 divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to, the value of this is 0.5. Fine. So 0.5, which is nothing but f of x naught y naught. Okay. What is to be calculated? It is very simple now. So let us consider x1 is nothing but x naught plus h. What is x naught? 0. What is h? 0.1. Therefore, x1 is equal to 0.1. So we need to calculate y1 of x1, which is nothing but y1, that value to be calculated. Fine. Let us use Euler's formula. Then if required, we'll go to modified Euler's. Therefore, by Euler's formula, initial approximation to y1 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught, which is nothing but y naught, the value of y naught is 1 plus h is 0.1 into the value of f of x naught y naught is already calculated, that is 0.5. Therefore, initial approximation to y1 is equal to, calculate this, 0.5 into 0.1, so it is 0.05 plus 1, that is 1.05. So this is called as predicted value by Euler's, predicted value. So we need to go for corrected value now by using modified Euler's formula. Therefore, by modified Euler's formula, what is modified Euler's formula says? First approximation to y1 is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1. But which type of y1? y1 means the recently obtained value, that is initial approximation to y1. Fine. So this is equal to, let us substitute the values. The value of y naught is equal to 1 plus h, that is 0.1 divided by 2 into the value of f of x naught, this is calculated, that is 0.5 plus, now this value f of x1 and y1, initial value of y1, what is the functional value? Functional value is 3x plus y by 2. Means it is 3x1 plus initial approximation of y1 divided by 2. Substitute the values, which is equal to first approximation to y1 is equal to 1 plus 0.1 divided by 2, that is 0.05, that into 0.5 plus 3 into x1. x1 is equal to 0.1 plus initial value of y1. Initial value of y1 is 1.05 divided by 2. Okay, so that is equal to 1 plus, I'll be taking this very carefully because this will be our reference step. 1 plus 0.05 into 3 into 0.1. 3 into 0.1 is 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.5, that is 0.8 plus 1.05 divided by 2. Okay, so this is to be calculated. Let us calculate this result, then let us see what it is. This will be equal to, calculate by using Calci. This is equal to 0.8 and this it is 1.06625. This is the first approximation to y1. Fine. Next, second approximation, that is second approximation to y1. But what we do here we will be taking this as a reference step. In this, everything will be as it is, only this value, which is nothing but initial value of y1. So only this value will be replaced. When this value will be replaced by new value, we'll be obtaining next result. Let us see what will be the next result. Here 1 plus 0.05 into 0.8 plus this 1.05 will be replaced by 1.06625 divided by 2. So the answer for this, if we calculate, it will be equal to 1.0667. This is the second approximation to y1. Fine. Second approximation to y1. Again here, this will be taken as a reference step. So only this result will be replaced by next result to obtain third approximations. So that is third approximation to y1. So 1 plus 0.05 plus 0.8 plus this 1.06625 will be replaced by 1.0667 divided by 2. Let us see what it is now. This will be equal to 1.0667. This is the third approximation. If you compare these two, they are same. Therefore, we can say the value of y of x1 is equal to 0.1. So y of 0.1 is equal to 1.